The most valuable lesson I've learned in my business is how important self-awareness and listening to your body truly is. It's easy for our minds to try to control everything, but your body and your intuition know best. Envision this, a peaceful office with a calm workflow that attracts money every single day. In this video, I'm going to share 5 tips to help you achieve health and wealth so you can heal your nervous system. Tip number 1 is listening to your intuition. When you make decisions based on your mind and not your gut, you're going against yourself. In business, this looks like ignoring your core values. An example of this can be saying yes to everything and feeling overwhelmed all the time. Another example of this is not creating boundaries with clients and feeling stressed out when they cross boundaries, such as calling and emailing outside of business hours. Eliminating these types of situations will give you peace of mind and help you to stay aligned with yourself and your company's core values. To help you with this, revisit your company's core values and make adjustments as needed. If you don't know your core values yet, I would recommend getting very clear on them so that you can identify the things that trigger your intuition and make safe decisions that protect your peace and your business. Tip number 2 is self-punishment. And I see this in a lot of entrepreneurs. Punishing yourself for not doing the things you should have done. It's a classic case of shoulding all over yourself. Wherever you are in your process, learn to embrace it. Allow yourself to be exactly where you are. You will get where you want to go with patience. The more you free your mind of punishment and disappointment, the more space you create for clarity. When your mind is clear, you're 80% of the way there. You only need 20% strategy to be successful. So give yourself permission to be present, to be mindful, to be grateful. If you've ever been so frustrated with something that you couldn't figure out, and then you stepped away and came back and found such a simple solution, then you've experienced freeing your mind because you allowed yourself the peace of your mind to make space for clarity. The less you punish yourself for what you should do, the more you will see things clearly. Tip number 3 is passion. Burnout is a fast way to put stress on your nervous system. Do an audit of your business. Do you love the products and services that you offer? Can you talk about them all day without getting bored? Being passionate is, I believe, super important for building a sustainable business. Without it, over time, you're going to resent the things that you're doing every day that you don't enjoy. And no amount of money is worth the toll stress takes on your body. So it's better to lead with things that you enjoy. Also, when you enjoy something, chances are those are the things that you're the most knowledgeable about. And when you radiate excitement and passion about your offerings, that's going to attract your target market organically and you'll be able to sell so naturally. Tip number 4 is releasing your money blocks. This one takes a while to learn, especially if you're kind of set in your ways. It does take money to run a successful business. However, it does not take stress over a lack of money. To attract money, you must be in the present moment working toward a goal that will eventually bring you cash flow. This may sound easier said than done, but when you practice mindset exercises to release your scarcity mindset, you're also releasing the fear of not having money and the feelings you're experiencing chasing money. Give yourself a generous amount of time to attract wealth and health. Nothing can happen overnight. So the more pressure you bring on yourself to achieve results quickly, the more disappointment you're going to feel. Desperate energy, chasing will pull away from you because it isn't organic. When you act from a place of calmness and confidence, you're creating a space for abundance and flow, and then you're gonna attract things. Tip number 5 is stop taking clients that don't align with you. In the beginning phases of launching a business, it's easy to get lost in needing to make money and forgetting your core values and even your dream clients. As you start making money, you will quickly learn that the clients who don't align with you will be your most challenging clients. You'll work harder for these clients and you're going to experience more burnout for these clients. Over time, you're slowly even going to start to resent them because you took them on as a client. So be selective and confident that you will attract your dream clients and make money. The more dream clients you attract, the more similar types of clients will find you. And that's how you'll grow your business. Make small changes in your business and I promise you that you will see big changes in time. Be gentle with yourself through this process. Healing is a process that takes time. I hope this video helps you find peace and calmness in your business so you can work with ease and attract health and wealth. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you like this video and want to see more like this, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next one.